1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2.
Yes, sir.
We are live and it's good to be with everybody here.
Yes, sir.
Welcome to another one.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can feel the excitement here in the studio.
Yeah.
We are back again live from our headquarters.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Welcome to
another one. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's the CPI stream.
Yes, sir.
What a pleasure to be alive, first and foremost. And then obviously it's such a privilege to be with you guys here today.
Yes, sir. We've been waiting for this one. This is the CPI, as Ash said. But before we get started, remember the information in this session is not advice.
Yes.
If you're joining us for the first time, we do welcome you. And yeah, I think the guys are ready for this one, yeah?
Guys, let us know what you're doing. Don't forget, subscribe. Tandi, we see you there, darling. Thank you very much for those links there. Yeah, everybody, care@tdmarkets.com for some live chat, yeah?
Listen, I'm looking at the chat right now. Yes, we can see some new names that are starting to come in.
I'm checking.
Just ask guys cook. That's an interesting name.
All right, where you from, guys? Let us know quickly. Let us know. We see Gabaron is here.
Yeah, Steven is here. Tony is here. Jules, Onalena, Petunia.
Yeah.
Bree. Yes, ma'am.
Favorite show. Let's go.
You know, Mark is here. Look at Kayla is here as well.
Check
Intel, Shirley.
The Gordons worked.
I was about to say.
Once again, welcome. If you're here for the first time, you've come to the right place.
Amen. You know, I don't know if the Gordons work or works, but I didn't have it. You know, I had my medication.
Yeah.
That is the Benylin.
Yeah.
The Gordons you're talking about, Onalinda, my man. Nah, next time. We got Carl Mock here. We got Louis in the house. Botswana. Who else? Steven, let us know there, brother. Who else is joining from Botswana? There's Shirley. Yeah.
We got Laverne in here. Brett, I see you. Brother, we had some of the guys in the 10 a.m. quick beginners and traffic them all the way to So it's good to see the names there. Well done, guys, for coming on, yeah?
T-Ash Man.
Okay.
That's a potential new name for us, T-Ash Man.
It can only be Shirley Shakes. Port Elizabeth. Kapstad is here. Apalele. I'm saying it right, ne? Apalele.
Yeah, Apelele.
Bushbuck Ridge is over here. Come on, Bree. Come on, Bree.
All right. So, yeah, guys, once again, welcome to the CPI, the U.S. Consumer Price Index Analysis Inflation Data. You guys know how important this report is. All right, together with the jobs data out of the US. We're going to jump straight into it. Remember, we do this every CPI session.
Yes.
That is once a month, yeah?
Yes. Once a month on the CPI and once a month on the NFP.
On the NFP as well. So if you're joining us for the first time, please do like, subscribe. We've got about 43 people watching us live. The likes are a little bit low, you know.
Slow.
At least let them be at least 20 likes.
At least. Guys, remember we're feeding the algorithm, all right?
Yep.
All right, this thing about the algorithm is real and we are feeding it here. I know that Tshepo told me in my stream last week, bro. He said, Ash, it's completely natural to ask the guys to ask for likes. So I'm just doing what Tshepo said. He said, ask for likes and I'm asking for likes, all right? So like it, guys. We're feeding the algorithm a like at a time, a stream at a time, because there's more people that need this kind of content.
You know what cracked me up, Ash? I was watching one of the trading rooms, and then you were encouraging the guys to like.
Yeah.
Instead of liking the screen, the stream, they are liking the chat.
or the little heart, pressing the heart.
You were like, no, like the stream, not the chat.
Yeah,
that really cracked me up.
Yeah. So guys, like it, hit the subscribe button. Where are we now? We're 5,700.
Yeah, almost 5,700. I think.
Yeah. I see Muhabe. We are back, stronger dollar, baby. Interesting.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
We're starting it with a prediction
already. That's nice. All right, Muhabe, we got you. Anyone else that's seconds and thirds the stronger dollar? I don't know, man. I'm seeing I'm seeing a bit of dollar craziness happening on my side with the gold price, man. It's
look what's happening right now. There's a massive move towards the downside. But look, we are gonna have time to discuss all of that.
Yes, he's right.
Bro, before we jump straight into it.
Yes, sir.
Last time we spoke about, we just given an update on the World Cup.
Yes. Okay, are we going there?
Yeah, I think let's start with that.
We
Just to
start
get
with the
the
World Cup.
heartbreak out of the way, you know.
All right, so guys, we want to get the heartbreak out of the way. Bafana's out.
Not only that,
Yeah.
that one we spoke. Yeah.
CR7 unfortunately did not make it.
So this means Ronaldo will never.
Yeah,
never
it's done now.
left.
And those are one of the things we need to accept. Just like a trade that someone lost. Just accept it
Yeah,
and
just
move on.
accept it, you know.
Gotta move on.
So just gonna update something. Just gonna fix something here quickly, Ash. Right?
Yeah.
Your camera, it's a bit.
Okay, perfect,
know,
brother. All right. And then, guys, you know what is so very interesting about this? Tia, I wanted to ask you. So I came out of the toll gate, all right?
Yeah.
Today. Is it good now?
Yeah.
All right, good. So I came out of the toll gate today. And when I came out of the toll gate, someone else just, so I paid, all right? The toll gate is like $15, bro. Okay.
50.
15.
15.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I paid, and as I drove out, this individual came and drove out and didn't pay.
Yeah.
And you could hear the ring of the toll gate going because the person just drove out. Drove past, followed me. So they were very close to me. And then when I went, I just saw this other car also, but didn't pay. And I thought to myself, you must be very brave to do that.
You must be very brave. And I'm sure he was driving a high performance car. Was it a high performance
To
car?
be honest, it was one of those bread loaves.
Okay.
Those loaf of bread, I don't know if it's a Suzuki or if it's a Toyota. I'm not sure,
Yo,
but it's
he
a
was
loaf
very
of.
brave
He was brave, bro.
Just
I don't know about the guys here. Would you do that, bro? Would you?
Nah, bro. Nah, I wouldn't do that. I respect, what I need to do. I respect it enough to me to do it. So
Yeah.
I wouldn't, bruh. Even
Yeah.
if there's an opportunity to do it, my conscience wouldn't allow me.
Yeah.
And the person I am wouldn't allow me to
Yeah.
do that, bruh.
So if you came to that toll gate and you realized, yes, I thought I had cash now. And
Yeah.
it's, and they don't, and the new facility is not there because now we can tap, right?
Yeah.
But just imagine it was like a year ago, whatever, because the toll gates were in Zambezi there, Pretoria. There's those tapping mechanisms were there, but now it's like better.
Okay.
But let's just say you get there and you'd realize I don't have enough cash, I can't tap. What would you do?
I would ask the car behind me just to assist me. Yeah, because there's
You
nothing. There's nothing I can do.
So you wouldn't reverse like all the way back either and go a different way or
No. Because now there's other cars behind me. Let's
Yeah.
assume there's other cars behind
Yeah.
me. So I can't talk to the person who's assisting me because
Yes.
I don't think they're allowed to do
They
that.
once snooped me with the 50 cents, bro.
Oh, is it?
I didn't have a 50 cents.
Yeah.
And I needed a 50 cents.
Oh, then they assisted you. Then I will start by asking,
Yeah.
the person if they can't help me, then I'll go to the car behind just
Behind.
to humbly ask and look, and I'm in a tight spot.
I'm in
here,
a tight spot right now. And
can't move.
That's very, and you literally can't move, bro. Guys, what would you do? Would you guys drive out behind the person or would you go to the car behind? Or let us know there what you would do.
Yeah.
That's a very interesting one, bro.
Yeah,
So,
man.
sorry, bro. I went totally off course there, but I had to just sneak that one in, right?
No, it's a very good one.
World Cup,
Yeah.
CR7 out now. I don't know. I'm with Norway, man. Oh no, sorry, they're out. They're out now.
Yeah.
Norway's out.
Yeah, Norway's out now.
I'm still not Argentina.
Ash, and it looks like Argentina. No, like this is what I feel, and this is my prediction. I think France and Argentina are gonna meet in the finals, and France this time is taking it. If they progress to the finals, I see France.
You
taking
see
it.
France, Mbappe.
And I want them to meet Argentina again.
You want them to meet. Do you believe this thing about Messi? About this whole thing? There was a whole thing there about the goal scoring doesn't make sense. There's a whole investigation going into it. Why they scored 3 goals in the space of 15 minutes, something like that.
Was it against Egypt? Or
Yeah.
I don't know.
Apparently, there's an investigation there.
Yeah, it's suspicious, bro. It's really suspicious.
Brett's saying there we should support England. Hey, Bellingham, ne?
England. Yeah.
Hey, but he was trouble for Norway.
Yeah, Bellingham is a brilliant player.
Yeah,
Brilliant
he
player.
was trouble. He was
So
trouble.
I assume Barticle supports England.
Yeah, it's his people.
So I supported Portugal. Boom, we are out.
Yeah.
So if France goes to the final, then I'm gonna support France.
You're gonna support France
because they're all African.
from Mbappe.
Yeah.
Mbappe.
No, not only from Mbappe. There are other players, but France, man, they deserve it. Those youngsters are just pushing. They really deserve
It's
it.
also a young team, no?
It's a young team. It's a very young team.
Yeah. Look, I'll be honest. I'm more for Espanyol.
Spain is still there.
Yeah, Espanyol. I'm more for Spain than any other country at this point.
All right.
Let's see.
Yeah, no, we'll see. But for now, we are for CPI.
Yeah.
We are for CPI. So Ash, I think let's go for it.
All right. So guys, if you're here for the first time, we know we deal with a plethora of clients, different levels, different backgrounds and so forth. But so we break it down what the CPI is so that everybody's on the same page. Same with the NFP, we do exactly the same thing. All right. So what is it? It's Consumer Price Index. That's the acronym. That's what it stands for. It's basically there to measure how much the price of everyday goods and services have changed over time. That's it. It is literally one of the main ways governments use to measure inflation. You can also think of it like, imagine you buy the same basket of items every month: bread, milk, fuel, electricity, rent, clothing. And if that basket costs 2,000 Rand last month and now it's 2,100 this month, it's obvious that prices have increased by 5%. All right. That means that inflation has risen, and the CPI tracks changes like that across thousands of goods and services. Now, here's the question. Why do traders care about CPI? All right. Because it tells us whether the inflation is rising or it's falling. And if the CPI is obviously higher than expected, it means that prices are rising faster, inflation is getting worse, and what central banks is going to do now is they're going to raise those interest rates. That's why you would have seen, as you're following myself and T on the trading rooms and so forth, all right, we're chatting a lot about the Fed and the interest rate hike that's possibly coming in September. What they at about 50% now, brother, all right, as a chance for them to raise those rates, which means it's a stronger dollar. So the market impact is stronger dollar. You get your assets like Bitcoin. They often, don't do so well. Same with stocks, same with gold. They may initially fall because of those high interest rates because the dollar is strengthening, all right? But it's very, very, very simple, guys. Just from a takeaway and easy to remember. CPI is a price tag report. That's it. It answers one simple question. Are everyday things becoming more expensive or are they becoming cheaper? That's it.
Yes, sir. And this report is going to be an important one at the back of a weakening labor market. Remember, we had disappointing June NFP report, right? Inflation pressures are still elevated, but at the back of weakening labor market, this report is going to be very important. So what has the recent data been telling us? Well, we are seeing a mixed picture here, Ash, right? We've got obviously the June NFP report was weak, suggesting that the labor market is cooling. Consumer inflation expectation have risen, largely because of higher energy prices and also geopolitical uncertainty. Oil prices have also eased from their conflict-driven highs, which could help reduce inflation or headline inflation. But services and some goods prices remain sticky. All right. So we've seen a mixed data here. So you answered a very important question. Why is it important? What are we looking at? Well, we do have a headline CPI month on month, right? We do have core CPI month on month, core CPI year on year. So month on month CPI is going to show us of the latest inflation momentum. And then you've got core CPI month on month, arguably the most important figure for the Fed. And then you've got year on year, which indicates whether underlying inflation continues to cool or not. Right? So very important. Looking at the data right now, let me just pull out the data here, the stats. All right. Remember the last time CPI year on year went up to 4.2%. That's where it is right now. Markets are forecasting 3.8%, right? They anticipating it is going to go down to 3.8%. Core CPI from 2.9% to 2.8%. It's going to be important.
It's going to be very important.
Yes, sir.
So, so I mean, guys, at this point, if you look at all of the charts, we've seen quite a mixture of movement, really. We've seen the gold strengthen, we've seen the gold weaken, We've seen pairs like the Euro USD, push up and then push down again.
Yep.
Even cryptocurrency, we saw Bitcoin really, really just trend in a consolidated move. And if you look at it on the higher time frames, it's pretty bearish because it's obviously correcting at this point in time.
Yeah.
The question is today, does the CPI help the cryptocurrency find some form of footing? Because at the end of the day, guys, TDME, we have an exchange at TD Markets, exclusively crypto. All right, we providing derivative trading there, and you can hold your crypto with us as well. So that's why these streams are so important, because it does not only inform us about the gold price, the index points, and those major pairs, but where do we stand with crypto? Because at this point, where Bitcoin is now at 62,000, if you buy, if we get a good buy here and we leave it to run, by the time we reach that 120,000 mark again, guys, that is a lot of money.
And effectively, that's what trading derivatives mean on the exchange.
Exactly.
It's a different ball game, but trust me, the rewards, the potential on that is very important. That's why on the trading rooms, we switch between MetaTrader and our TDME platform.
Exactly. So guys, you've come to the right place. What you don't want to do is you don't want to miss out what we have as TD Markets, all right?
Yes, sir.
It's very rare to find a broker that has not only provided excellence and great standards in terms of the offering from a spread perspective, our execution, the fact that we have so many, different account types and the different leverage, offerings.
Speak on it.
Speak on it, right? I feel like I'm preaching this thing here. But we also have the education, guys.
Hey, now.
Which gives you the information on how to apply yourself.
Hey, now.
Call it preaching. That's okay.
Hey, now.
But we got to preach it if we feel
Hey, now. That deserves a popo.
So call it what you want, but at the end of the day, man, if you want to be the most trusted broker, you got to do what we do.
Look, guys, it's not that we're flexing, but we flexing.
But no, someone's got to say it.
Yeah,
someone's got to say it.
Someone's got to say it.
So we're saying it, guys.
Yeah,
you at the right place. You've come to the right place. All right, we into consistency at TD Markets.
There we go. All right. So let's have a look at the charts.
Let's go for it.
21 minutes after 2. Right?
Yes. What do you have for us there, brother?
Yes,
what do you
sir.
have for us? Yeah.
I've got gold. Okay, so for the benefit of those who are joining us for the first time, I'm just going to explain how we do things, right? There's many ways of dealing with what we're doing right now. So this is how we do it. We're looking for trades after the report has come out, right? Not before. I'm seeing some people are asking, are we buying? Are we selling? Wait, we got to wait first, right? So we're going to look for opportunities after the report has come out. All we're looking for is for the report, for the data to come out. We've got our levels, we've got our structure. We're going to focus on the M15. We've got gold, silver, USD, JPY. We've got dollar pairs as well. So focus is on the M15 time frame. Wait for the data to come out. Look at the data, try to make sense. Look at the structure, look at our levels, and then boom, we're going to go in. All right. So we might wait 15 minutes after the data has been released, but we'll see how price action develops this time around.
Exactly.
The last NFP, the last CPI, I don't remember how is it, but the previous NFP, the movement was so smooth.
It was smooth in
we
the
thought
right.
It was CPI.
Yeah, we really thought it was CPI. I'm seeing Moabi there just before you give us the chance, bro. Brent crude is back at $80. With no side of Iran war coming to an end soon. Can we predict the next CPI will be higher? So you see, that question is pretty subjective. Anyone can predict whether the CPI will be higher or lower. All right, we have to work with the data. So whatever data we get today will inform us of what we can predict for the next one. Do you see that? Yeah. At this point, I totally agree. I think we've been, for the lack of a better word, now we've been preaching that for some time to say that oil has corrected, all right, quite substantially back to end of February's levels. That's all it did. And you mentioned something critical in one of our market review meetings, T. You said price has gone back to the supply area it created at the end of Feb.
Yeah. I remember that.
You see that? Yeah. So it went back to that. And now we are seeing that impulse that came down, that deep correction that came down from the top, from $100 down to 60, it's now just creating another correction to the upside. So the question is, do we extend that impulse, or do we block, we wait, and then we come down one more time before we actually go up? You see, because for the oil price to really go down to the $50 to the $40 a barrel, bro, that is, I mean, if you look at it, I got on the weekly here now, right? If we're going to go down to $36 a barrel or 46, bro, that is 2020.
Yeah, I was about to say those are COVID levels.
Those are COVID levels, exactly. So we are correcting, yes, now, but we're seeing a correction of that impulse that came to the downside.
Got you.
So we first need to understand what's happening within that area there. So the cap there for Moabi. Just so let me just go to Moabi's there. So for your question, let's try and see if we reach $93 a barrel. We're at 85 now.
85.
Let's see what we do at 93. If we continue to climb above 93, then it's fair to say when the oil price is higher, then it means inflation is obviously growing. You see, but if the oil price comes down, it's safe to say that the inflation could be coming lower. And just listen to the words "could be." Could be. Because it's all speculation at the end of the day. All right.
100%. So if the oil prices continue to go up, yes, inflation concerns.
There's inflation concerns, exactly.
And looking at what Moabi said there, it doesn't seem like the war is going to come to an end.
Yes.
We thought it was going to come to an end, but...
And what have we been saying for a long time now? These guys need to shake hands.
They need to get in the room and shake hands.
And they've not done that. And every time we're seeing a new thing come over and over. If it's not a threat to this ship, then it's an assassination. But there's always something because they're not getting in the room. Trump flew across the world to Xi Jinping.
Bro, I was about to say, in the meantime, our brother Trump keeps flying all over the place.
But he's not flying to the Middle East. He's not flying to Pakistan and say, let's just land there for the first time. A U.S. president, let's just land there.
Let's take a detour, a short ride.
Yeah,
just and
let's just shake a hand and say yes. Okay, let's stop now. If that doesn't happen, we're gonna see this thing going on and on and on and on.
I think right now Trump is the biggest comedian right now. I just laugh at whatever he says. Even if it's so serious, just laugh.
Bro, the fact that he said we are ready. The fact that he said we are ready.
Yeah.
For anything, if we see anything come our way, it's a problem. I mean, that's insane, bro.
For a president to say that.
Yeah.
Do you think if it was any other president would see what we're seeing right now? I don't think so.
In our generation right now, nah. Maybe in the next 50 years we'll see something again. Because I mean, it's like a Ronaldo. Comes every once in a while.
Yeah.
You get I'm not going to name any boxes because that's not going to be, people will say it's Ali. Some will say it's Sugar Ray Leonard. Others will say Tyson. Yeah. So I'll rather just say maybe, let me give Messi credit. I'll say Messi and Ronaldo. It's once in a lifetime you're going to see these two guys performing like that.
Just like Tshepo Makau, it's once in a lifetime.
Once in a lifetime. The Tshepo Makau, yes, I agree with you. Once in a lifetime. So I think, you are in that category there of Trump.
My man.
It's once, and then maybe in next 20, 30, 50 years, we'll see another. It's like a Mandela where, it's once in a lifetime.
Once in a lifetime.
Once in a lifetime, we're going to get a Madiba.
Yeah, definitely.
I mean, I can't think of anyone right now that fills that specific shoes.
I had a thought this one evening as I was chilling at my place, thinking about this whole thing, one night. And I thought that this is maybe what Trump planned before he even, assumed position again for the second time. He planned all of this. He said, okay, I'm going to start with this and this and this. And when they forget, I'm going to start with this.
You think he sat with Israel and said, Israel, we got to make some havoc there?
While he was in position, maybe he might have contacted Israel. But before he assumed position, I think he sat there and said, how can I do things differently now? We've got Venezuela, we've got this and
Cuba.
that. Nuclear.
Yeah.
Iran.
We'll just write the 44-year thing, 47-year. You ready, brother? All right?
Yeah. All good.
Guys, remember, what's very important also that we have trading rooms running every single day.
Yes, sir.
That's Mondays to Fridays. We have a 9:30. We have a midday 12 o'clock, brother. We have the 3. And we also have the 6 o'clock. That's 1800 hours, man. You guys, you gotta come. You gotta be there.
Listen, we serve you with breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You know.
Maybe a nice chicken grill, something in the evening.
You know.
Light lunch here midday
You
and
know.
so forth. But you gotta be there.
Yeah, so that's how it is, guys, right? So definitely see you there. Yeah.
See you there. All the links, everything will be provided to you guys. All right. That's Mondays to Fridays trading rooms. That's 4 of them per day.
All right. Cool stuff. So, bro, we are
2 minutes.
minute away.
Oh, minute. Yeah, a minute.
Yeah, a minute away. So, guys, we've given you guys the figures, what to anticipate. Now, you guys tell us, what do you expect? You think we're going to get a stronger dollar? You think we're going to get a weaker dollar? You think the CPI print will come out hotter than expected or a little bit cooler than expected? You know, What do you guys think? Standing by. Yes, sir. Standing by.
So gold, I don't know, bro. What's the levels you have there? I have a level here.
I think my levels are the same as yours. So I'm looking at 4034.
4034. I'm close to that one. And if it goes up, bro, like now, 4060.
We've got, let me put in 4060.
4060, yeah, 4060.
All right, we're almost there. 15 seconds and counting. 10 seconds and counting.
Yes. Guys, watch all the major pairs there. All right, watch them all. Watch them all.
Got you. All right. So there we go. We're almost there, Ash. All right.
Beautiful. We've just knocked 1430.
Okay, we've knocked those levels
Look
up.
at that. Bro, weaker
right.
dollar, bro. Weaker dollar.
Let's have a look at the date. Is it weaker dollar?
The oil price is not affected, but everything else is.
All right.
Look at the gold price, silver price, powerful.
So just go through the data quickly. So yearly CPI 3.5%. That's very good for a weaker dollar, right? Definitely very good for a weaker dollar. We're waiting for the core CPI. So month on month. Yeah, bro, look at all of these figures. They are below market expectation.
Yeah.
All of them below market expectation.
All of them. You know what? Assets like GBP, NZD, I'm pretty disappointed in that. I was looking for some good movement there, but it looks like the higher time frames are dominating this CPI. Not the shorter ones, the minute frames, the 2 minute frames. It's all the higher from 1 hour up. Those time frames there, they are looking pretty good.
Ooh. Yeah, no, it's a stronger dollar, guys. So let me just give the guys data quickly.
Weaker dollar.
Weaker dollar, weaker dollar. So core CPI month on month, 0.0% from market forecast of 0.2%. Core CPI year on year, 2.6% below market expectation of 2.8%. Monthly CPI, 0.4% below market expectation of 0.1% or negative 0.1%, negative 0.4%. And then the yearly CPI, my goodness, 3.5% below 3.8%. So weaker dollar, definitely it is. As that's why we're seeing this nice clean move towards the upside. You know?
Yeah. And guys, if you've been running with T and myself for the past this week, last week, we were chatting about, assets like Euro USD needing upside, AUD USD needing upside, NZD USD needing upside, USD CAD coming down. All of it has panned out exactly. It just came this week. I know Jules was there. Tanya was there. Let me see. Brett, you were there. Intel, you were there. Petunia, you were there. We were really looking at a weaker dollar coming up for those major pairs. And look at that. It's come with the CPI. It's beautiful.
Oh, this is beautiful, bro. This is beautiful. Anyway, so I think, Ash, you're going to get an opportunity before even the 15 minutes candle closes, looking at how clean this move is.
I mean, that 460 is done.
It's done, bro.
There's no time for it.
Just when you're about to, it's done.
It's done, guys.
So looking at a new one now.
Starting to look at a new one.
All right. So I'm on the M5 time frame now, Ash, right?
Okay.
I'm looking at the 1 hour as well. The silver really set up for a bullish move here on the 1 hour time frame. So looking at the current reaction, I'm gonna go to the M5, wait for the current M5 candle to close.
Okay.
The next one, if we can get a pullback, then we know we're running after that.
Okay, so we're gonna do M5 trading on the silver. You want M5 trading?
Silver and gold. In fact, what I see here, all of them, because the move is so clean. Maybe all of, but we'll see which one we pick. I'm on gold and silver right now.
Yeah.
So I think
Yeah, look, do you know what I'm seeing, right? I'm seeing a 15-minute move up to 60.02. That's on silver, all right?
60.02.
But that's on a 15-minute, bro.
Yeah.
So which means that resistance is going to be caught. So I have to go to a higher time frame.
Yeah.
So I can get a distance above that.
I got you.
You
I
see what I'm
I
saying?
see.
So I'm gonna do that quickly, and then I'm gonna
Sure.
give you what I come up with. All right.
For it, go for
with the
it.
silver, bro. I got it already. I got 61.95. 61.95.
Let me have it there. Just 1 second. 69.
61.
61.95.
95. 953. Yeah.
Okay.
61.
I
Yeah.
see.
You see that? That's it. Just up to that area, nice and clean there. It's already given us that high, so a pullback will be good for us. You know, and then we
Yes.
push it up to that area over there.
All right. There we go. There we go.
61.
So with gold, let me see what I have here.
Yeah, gold really. So I'm gonna use the 1 hour at this point, bro.
Yeah, I'm also on the 1 hour in gold
Using
just to
the-
check. Yeah.
Okay, so 1 hour, guys.
So check. I don't know if you have this level. It's 4137.
Okay, let me just make sure, bro. Let me just double check.
Around 4140, 4137, 4140. I don't know if you have it there, but
I have. I'll tell you exactly. I have the 4156.
415. Okay, it's all the. Okay, I see where it is. 4156.
Yeah, 4156.
All right, I see that structure right there. Okay, we can look at 4156, 4140. You know, 4156.
Yeah, we already with a nice correction. We can actually push in here.
All right. Yeah. So I'm on the M5 time frame now. Yeah. So you see now the previous 5 minutes candle created a high on 4103. So so with the break above that 4103, we're likely gonna continue flying.
Yes.
Let me look at silver also. Silver created a high on the previous candle 5 minutes on 59.6.
Yeah.
So a break above those likely gonna fly. So standing by. Where's my platform? So this is how things are looking, guys. They're very clean. This is how CPI is, right? This is how CPI is. So yeah, it's a very nice one. It's a proper smooth one. All right. So standing by. Let me just make sure I'm sorted the site.
Man, even Euro CHF is beautiful. I missed it a little bit there, bro.
Yeah, Euro USD. I showed the guys a Euro USD potential buy on the trading room. If you look at Euro USD now, it just flew up.
Yeah.
Wait. All right. So these are the levels we have at the moment, guys. Right. Just wanna sort out.
So, guys, also look at the GBP AUD, also looking good there, possibly coming down. We have. I'm not going to look at the US 30 for now in the S&P 500. There's not much there at this point. Right now, gold, silver, Euro USD, AUD USD is looking phenomenal. AUD USD has finally broken out of a resistance. All right, it's yeah.
AUD
USD. All right.
I did have it somewhere here. Okay.
Guys, myself and T, we are really for data on the day. All right. There are many guys, they trade before. And whilst we don't have any issues with how people want to approach the markets, we prefer it with the data first. It's easy to come up with a speculative narrative. I think that's any person that is well experienced and has gone through the trenches and understand how the market flows, they can come up with a narrative to suggest that the dollar could strengthen or weaken. But at the end of the day, the data will reveal what it is. Okay?
Of course.
So technical analysis obviously does play a role, in terms of your prediction, because you can always see more or less what keyword could happen. But the data is still something that we're looking for.
Of course. You know, the data.
The data. And I see that gold price now, very nice, is giving us a correction, as well as the silver, bro.
There we go. All right. That's the correction I was talking about.
That's the correction.
So we're looking for a higher low now.
We're looking for a higher low. All right, peeps, we're looking for a higher low on silver and on gold, okay?
And then for a continuation of that.
Yes.
All right. Let's go.
Guys, make sure that you do reach out to our chat facility right there. All our links to open that account is there. We have a live chat there with our super support team. If you need any questions answered, all right, they are there to assist you. They are there right now. And if you have any questions about your profile, your account, you're more than welcome to reach out to them. All right, different account types, guys, from standard accounts to mini accounts to cent accounts. All right, we have them available for all of you guys. And we are rocking over 100 instruments. All right, it's really powerful. Just crypto alone is over 50. So you know, you can sit and think what we do offer here at TD Markets. Low spreads, very competitive, best prices that we look to for all our clients.
Yep.
And we are a book broker, guys. We connect you directly there to the market. All right, guys. So just so you know, those are some of the benefits, you know. And then obviously we cannot omit the fact that this is a community. It's an ecosystem of people that want to learn and become independent. So do not forget that critical point there, all right?
Yeah, definitely.
That silver, because we're looking at the 5 minute and so forth, bro, I'm going to just look for a possible area where we could find the higher low pan out.
Okay.
Because that's essentially what we're looking for, right?
Yeah.
We're looking for a higher low. So let me I'm going to do it on a 1 minute, between a 1 minute, 2 minute, and 3 minute. All right.
1 minute, 2 minutes, and 3 minutes.
Yes, to look where the possible higher low could come.
Got you, bro.
All right, guys, let's go to work, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, I'm just sorting. All right. Yeah. We are almost there. Looking at silver. Silver is doing what it did the last time.
Yeah.
Where we were waiting for a continuation and then it just happened. So yeah, so look at those time frames. I'll be on gold in the meantime. In the meantime, let's go.
So, bro, maybe, okay, so for the guys that are looking, guys, if you're looking for a higher low, T, I don't know if you can put this on. I know you multitasking, but just 58.839.
That is on
silver. Possible correction there till that area.
58.839. 839.
Yeah. 839.
Yeah.
And then I would like to maybe just extend that to the second area. Please put there 58.282.
282.
That's the possible, the corrections where we could get a higher low.
All right, there we go. Got you.
All right, thank you, bro.
Got you. All right. It's now 41 minutes after 2. The current M15 candle is gonna close any moment now, but yeah, we're anticipating a reverse, not a reversal, a continuation.
That's a nice deep correction now.
Yeah,
when it's so sharp, it's nice.
That's what's happening right now. Yeah.
All right, we're seeing it on silver and gold, guys.
Yeah. All right. So we're standing by, guys. So we're anticipating market to continue pushing towards the upside.
Yes.
That M15 candle might have its own correction, but we'll have to wait and see, right? If not, we should be flying from where we are right now.
Yeah. Guys, watch that 58.839 first, for the higher low, and then obviously the 58.282. So those are two critical zones there. Man, the gold rushed throughout that area 4608.
Bro, Yo, I wish but it's all right. All right. So we're standing by, guys. We have the levels. So we're just waiting right now. All right. I'm sorted on my end. We're just waiting right now, right?
Yeah.
We've got the levels on silver, give you guys the levels. So we want to see if it will tap 58.839.
Yes.
It's almost there. Or it can give us a little bit of a deeper retracement.
Yes.
At 58.28?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So it's those are the two levels, the two options there.
Yeah.
And then after that, we look for some flying.
All right. Looking at USD JPY, it seems like on the M5, it seems like that lower high has formed.
Okay,
Look
nice.
at USD JPY there. Right? But
yeah. Even the USD Swiss franc looks good, but at this point, I'll let you know when it approaches a good level there. Okay.
Sure. Got you.
Yeah, it looks like we're going down to 58.839 first, bro.
On silver.
Yeah, it looks like we're first gonna bounce to that area there. So guys, just so you do know, all right, with our phases, or at least the new structure of the academy, this is the phase 3 that we're running right now, and that is the trading rooms every single day, Mondays to Fridays.
Yeah.
Like we mentioned, 9:30, 12, 3, and 6. We will, update all our clients, all our students in the next couple of days with the Academy website. You'll be able to go through our competency learning assignments. And obviously, you will then be permitted to go into our topic discussion, mentorship, and refining sessions. Obviously, guys, we need you to go through that, because what we're doing is we're building consistency. All right. And you do not want to miss that. You don't want to lose that. You don't want to miss the opportunity to grab that at the end of the day, because this is a revenue stream that you are creating. It's not for now. It's not only for the next 2 years, 3 years. This is a lifetime revenue stream that you are setting up. So you might as well just go through all of the trenches. Go through the trenches so you can have your rank. And you know that this is a rank I worked for in the trading space. All right. And it's made available here with TD Markets.
Yeah, I think some of the guys were, since last week, they were surprised. Hey, why do we have so many trading rooms now? Hey, what's going on? So that's exactly what Ash is saying right now. We've got the new system. In fact, we've implemented it.
Yes.
So it's live right now.
Yeah.
Like Ash said, you guys are gonna get, if you are part of the education, the TD Markets Academy, an email is gonna come through very soon. So just be patient with that one.
Yes.
Which will highlight and outline everything for you guys, right?
Exactly.
But the trading rooms are running. We are running smooth on this one. We are rocking.
Very, very smooth. Guys, we've been running, we've been pushing, and we want to bring content that is applicable. It's relatable. All right. You can adjust, you can apply. It's everyday stuff. It's like you getting home to cook. You should be able to, it should be that easy. It's like going home and putting on the stove, bro. Whether it's, a gas heater, a gas stove, a gas heater. Trading should be easy, systematic. So you need it to be broken down. Yeah, it should be broken down, man.
Yeah.
So that's what we do here, guys.
Yeah.
All right. Look at that, bro. That 58 looks like, look at that.
Yeah.
It's coming, yeah?
I'm looking at it. I'm also looking at USD JPY. That 161.7 level. A break below that level is going to take us, it's about 14, 15 pips.
Wait, hold on,
down
bro.
to the low.
What level are you referring to? 160?
161.7.
0.7. Okay,
Yeah.
got you. Okay,
That's where
got you.
USD JPY is right now.
Yes.
So it could take us back first to 161.5 and then a break below that. So watching that carefully. Your silver definitely seems like we're going down to 58.8.
Yes.
So gold is a bit, all right. So the M15 candle has closed. So now we're in the correction of that candle.
That candle, yes. Exactly. So guys, we have to come back now.
Yeah, we have to come back.
We have to come back to it.
All right. So we're going to keep the same levels though. We're not going to change anything.
Shira, look at Shira. That can't cook either. I'll just laugh at that, Shira. They make these instant meals now.
Yeah.
Lean meals. You can buy like 50 of them for a certain price. So Shira, we still got you, man. You can you can always automate it, Put it in the microwave.
Automate it.
All right. So you are sorted either way, my friend. Yeah.
Yeah, the instant ones.
All right. So we are back, bro. Look at that. 58.
Yeah.
We're actually there. It's basically there. It's at 58.88 now. There we go. We're about to touch it. So when we touch, guys, expect it to possibly push up again.
Yeah.
For a lower high in that structure. There we go, T. It's just touch it. Look at that.
Yeah,
beautiful.
right
beautiful.
All right.
To the accuracy, bro. This is what we teach, me and T. We teach this, guys. Look how it landed right there, closed right there on that line. Powerful.
Seems like we're about to get a rejection there.
A rejection. Yeah.
So now, since we are looking at the M15 candle now, because the candlestick closed, you see that 58.8. I've got 59.0 Ash, right? 59.0, where we reject that and then we break above 59.0, then we're gonna fill that wick on the M15 there.
On the M15.
On silver. You see that?
Go
You see
back
that
up.
long wick
Yeah,
there?
yeah, I see it. Okay. So we want to try and get in before that. Is that what you're saying to me, bro?
Or if we break above 5.9, if so, there are different options. Either we can get in once we reject 58.8, or we can also use 59.0 just to get in as well.
Yeah.
And then we just take it up.
Okay. So,
all right. So we're standing by. So we're in the correction now, guys. All right. We're in the correction now. All right, we're in the correction now. Standing by.
Okay, so bro, you know what? Where I'm going to feel comfortable?
Yeah.
58.973.
58.973.
If we break above there, then we fill the wick.
773. It's basically where the market is. Wait,
58.97.
97.
So if we break above that area, then we go and fill that wick.
Yeah, the market is almost there. You see it?
Yeah.
All right, it's almost okay.
So
okay.
So now look at it. It came down below the area that I suggested, right? We may be going down to the second zone. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. We're on the 5.8 now.
The 5.8.2. So we may be coming down to that area there now.
Or 5.8.2.
0.282, yes. You see. So which means then we're going to have to get a new resistance. All right. That's not 58.97. We have to get one lower for us to take it back up to the wick.
I got you.
You
got
see.
Got you. Okay. Yeah, we are going to get a new resistance.
We're going to get a new resistance.
If it goes back to that level, yeah.
Yes. So guys, what T and I are seeing now, it's now at the area we suggested for the correction.
Yeah.
Now some guys are going to take a buy here, but there is a probability that price could go further down to 58.282. Now if here's the one scenario.
Yeah.
If it rejects at this current level where we're at now, we'll be looking for 58.97 to break. Then we go in for, me and T is going to go in for a long. All right. But the second scenario is like what it's doing now. We could be playing down to 58.28, which means we're going to get a new resistance for us to long. Okay.
Yeah. So effectively what we're looking for, guys, is just a higher low.
Yeah. We're looking, Yeah. We are looking for a higher low. And the higher low will either be at one of these two areas.
There we go. And once we get that higher low, like I said, there are going to be new resistances we want price to break.
Exactly.
Before it continues up. Right. So standing by. 77 people watching us live, 28 likes. Thank you for joining us. Do subscribe, like, share. And let's rock.
Let's rock.
All right. So now what we just spoke about, the opposite direction now on USD JPY. USD JPY, we're looking for a lower high now just to take it down, right? So we are still looking for those resistance levels there. I've got one already, but that one I just mentioned on 161 Ash. But we're probably gonna get new ones. So standing by. Whew. Yeah, no, I'm loving the 1 minute chart. But anyway,
All right. So where's it now? It's at 58.78. Yeah.
All right. Standing by. I hope you guys are enjoying the stream so far. We are 15 minutes into the stream. Hope you guys are enjoying so far. So we haven't gotten an opportunity as yet. The market is correcting right now. We've identified the levels. We know exactly where we're going to enter if option 1 or 2 happens. But the direction is there. All right. So we're standing by now. We're just waiting for price to complete. But you guys know how we do things,
Yes.
Yeah. So let's go. Charles, are you guys trading gold? Yeah, gold is one of them. Gold is definitely one of them. All right. Wabi USD ZAR flying to the downside. Yeah, the bigger structure was descending, so it makes sense for it to push towards the downside. All right. I don't know. Did you perhaps catch a good entry there? All right. Great stuff. So we're just waiting now. We're just waiting now. Right. So let's see what's gonna happen. We're waiting, right? But USD JPY, we're looking for a push down, silver push up, gold a push up. Standing by. Let's go.
Look at that, man. It's see at that area 58.83. It's right there. We may just get, remember 58.9 is what we need to get.
58.9, yeah.
It's 9.3.
9.3. Let me just push this. I have 9.7 here. Let me say 9.3.
Yeah. So if it now comes down to 58.28, we look for another resistance, nah?
Yeah, there is gonna be a new resistance.
There'll be a new resistance. Yeah.
And I'll also track USD JPY in the meantime as well. Yeah, I think we're going back to that level, Ash. 58.2.
Right? 282, yeah. So guys, just so you do know, all right, with myself and T here, what we're doing is in real time, we're showing you what we're going to be discussing in our refining and mentorship sessions. It is exactly what we are showing here. How did we come to these levels? Why did we choose them? Why did we identify them? What makes them so special? Why do they stand out? These are the types, or this is the type of content you'll be receiving. So make sure the moment we announce that you guys can log on to our website and do our competency test, make sure you get that done very quickly, so that you can get into the refining sessions. It will be via Zoom. And obviously, you guys know the trading rooms are for the public. It is obviously for anyone to join, whether you're a client or not, you can join. But those refining moments, it's exclusively for the guys that are obviously, they have an account with us. They're coming and they're walking this journey with us. That's going to be very important for you to remember. So you got to get yourself in there, because you're going to get so many things and it's going to help you become a bit more consistent. Look at that, 58.77 now.
I'm watching it.
And even the USD Swiss franc, surprisingly, I'm seeing that the yen on the USD, that came down. CHF JPY did not come down. Interesting.
Really?
Yeah, it went up. So the correlation on the USD JPY and CHF is out.
It's out.
Even on the AUD JPY, nothing's happened there. It's not really moved. So only the dollar right now seems like a lot of them has been affected. Not so much the minor or the crosses, guys.
No, there we go. Yeah, it seems like we're gonna go down to that level before we go up, Ash. So that 58.28. All right. Yeah, and that is also affecting gold as well. That's why gold is going down before it goes up.
Yes.
So we haven't really... No, we've got a level on gold. Was it 4046? Do you have 4046?
Yeah.
There. All right. But let's see. 4046. Okay. So we're still correcting, guys, right? So we're standing by. USD JPY, I'm keeping an eye on it as well. Standing by on this one. All right. Great stuff. Just a matter of time before they move. Just a matter of time.
I think it's the last push now to the downside. This could be the last push to the downside.
Yeah.
For silver. looking good though. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's looking good. Yeah. It's, 6.4. See, so from 8.7 we at 6 now.
We're at 6 now.
Yeah, we just needed, it just needs to push down aggressively once. That's also a sign that it's good. We would like it to do that so that it reaches its point and then that's it.
Yeah.
Then we know it. We start building a support now. I think that a lot of guys missed that point that I just made, bro. They this going to and fro with the small candles. We would like price to be aggressive to the area so the support can start building.
Yeah.
And then we can start. Look at that now. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
I'm looking at it. There we go.
Do you see that, guys?
There we go.
That is a critical point. Okay. Remember 5893. A close above there.
All right.
A close above 5893. It's now at 98.
Close above 5. Yeah. So let me just make sure I'm sorted here.
We are now 59. So if we can just close above 59.93, that's going to be a good place.
All right, guys, we are moving. Look at where silver is.
Yes.
We are moving. Let me just make sure I'm sorted here.
9 seconds left for this candle. 6, 5, 4. That's the minute frame.
Am I on the minute frame?
There we go. We've just closed above.
Yeah. So wait.
All right, I'm in there.
You're gonna jump in.
I'm in, guys. I want to take it back. We're taking it back to that wick. To that wick there, right?
Yeah. I'm not yet in. I just wanna log in here.
Very sharp decline. So that 58.28. I mean, it came down to 6. So it came down to 58.59. Let's see, man. Let's see, guys. Remember, there were two critical areas here: 58.83 and 58.282.
All right, I'm sorted. So we're looking at silver, gold and silver.
Yeah.
There we go. All right. So, guys, we are pushing. Let me just open up. We are pushing. All right.
But we would not like, what I would not like is for it to come down one more time to 282. You see, then it's an extended wait now.
So if you look at the M5, we've got an engulfing candle there.
Above, yes, I see it there. Beautiful.
So it's retesting 58.83 now and 58.93.
Yes.
So yeah. So that's a good one. Silver is busy pushing up at the moment. All right. Let's go. All right. Silver looking good. Silver, we didn't speak about a new resistance, yeah?
Yeah, look, that resistance was only if it went down to 58.28.
Yeah. So I've got 40.4081. Let's see what's going to happen there. 4081.4 on gold.
Yeah.
Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so silver is pushing up.
Yeah.
It's pushing up, looking good. We've rejected that zone there. So that 58.93, guys, it's now pushing above 59.0 now. It's pushing above that. So looking good. I'm on the M5 candle right now. Yo, the M15 also looks looking good, bro. We are. It's gone, Ash. It's gone. Looking good.
Guys,
looking good. It's gone.
Guys, who found silver to be good for them? Let us know, guys. Let us know in the chat facility real quick. Let us know who found silver to be satisfying.
So you see right now we are on 59.09, a break above that. This current candle, we just need to close above that. It closed above 59.09. We are flying. I'm in already.
Yeah, same here.
I'm in already. Right? So standing by. Hey, there's a bit of fighting happening.
There's fighting there.
We just needed to break above 59.09 now. And then from there, we know we're flying.
Yeah.
So we're just going to scalp it around that area. Let's go. Standing by. All right. There's a bit of force towards the downside.
is definitely a fight happening there.
All right, this is where now trade management is very important now. Let's see what's going to happen. Trade management.
All right. So, guys, we are at the moment 85, 87. Looking good. That's joining us live here. If you're here for the very first time, it's really good to be with you. All our regular guys that's on here, you know, it's always a blessing having you guys around. We are on the gold and the silver. We're watching it very carefully. We know that we had a weaker dollar, and we are taking the silver price a little bit up further to go and complete the wick that it rejected from, and that's about it. It's actually in a supply and a demand zone at the top. Yesterday's, there's a gap there. So it seems like we're closing up that gap there first, all right, today. So let's see, man. T and myself, we identified two critical areas in silver, 58.839 as a retest zone and 58.282 as a retest zone. And, you know, it's like we said, you know, price is going to move within this structure for now. And so we will be waiting for it to finish up what it needs to, because, you know, markets do a job just like any other person does. It got to finish the workload for that moment. Whether you're in construction, whether you're in healthcare, it doesn't matter. There's a certain job that you need to finish up, and you got to give it a bit of time. Okay, so don't try to rush the price in any way. If you see it's moving in a wavy format, that is the market. It moves like that. It fluctuates. Okay, especially for the guys that's joining us for the very first time. Okay,
there we go. In a wavy format.
Yeah,
it has its own structure. That's why it's moving that you know, that way. All right, so just to go through those levels again one more time, Ash. We are above 58.93 now, or 9293. We need it also to break above 59.0. You can say 59.1 or 59.0. It's just somewhere there. Wait, 59.09. Actually, let me make it to 59.1. All right, so 59.1, a break above that, then this should take us back to first 59.6, and then secondly 60.2. All right, that's where it is right now. That's 60.2. All right, should take us back there. USD JPY, I'm also going to look at this one here, Ash, which I think it looks proper. It is breaking below 161.8. It is breaking below 161.8. All right.
Gotcha. Yes, I see it there.
Yeah. So we just need a break below that. And yeah, I think we are. Yeah, okay. I think we're good. Think we're good, guys. All right.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be watching these ones. Ash, you in on silver? I'm in on silver.
Yeah.
Just wanna enter some more as it breaks 59.1. I want to just enter some more there just to scalp it. But yeah, I think for now we are good.
We're good. And guys, we're trading it up to that 15-minute wick. That's what we're trading.
Yeah.
That's it. Then we're out, okay?
Which is on 59.6.
Yes, that's it. Then we're out.
All right. I think I think I'm gonna leave gold out for now. I think I'm good with silver.
Yeah. Same here.
Yeah. All right.
All right, guys.
So guys, this is how things are looking. Very good, very clean CPI. We're already in, so watch out for that silver price. Push towards the upside.
Back to the high.
Back to that high.
High. Okay.
It's a simple continuation here.
Yeah.
If you want to look at USD JPY, we need a break below 161.8 to take us back to either 161.7 or 161.5.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think we're good for now. Yeah.
All right, and then guys, just caution, just so you do know. That 59.282, just watch that area. Just watch the area, okay? Just watch it, because what price can do is, all right, even although it looks beautiful, we can go up. Just watch out that price could come down one more time before we push to the upside. So just be mindful of that. And that area is at 58.282. So just manage that accordingly.
Do you know that song, Ash? One more time. You know that song? There's a song called One More Time.
One more time. That's
the one. That's a classic. You see, that song plays somewhere, people just go crazy. People that know, you know. All right, I think we're good. Yeah, silver is pushing good, nicely towards the upside. It's just about trade management now. We've got our exits there. And I think we're good, guys, right? Hope you guys enjoyed.
Yeah.
Hope you guys also saw silver. You can have a look at USD JPY as well.
Yes.
And yep.
And we'll see you guys very soon.
There we go. There we go. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is where we're going to end it. On the previous sessions, we've been going close to 2 hours. So, this one, we're going to cap it at least an hour, 7 minutes.
Yeah.
All right. Levels for gold. We don't really have levels for gold. But I think look at USD, look at silver. Right. I think silver is proper. But if you're looking for gold, we're looking for gold to go to 4100.
Yes.
Right. A break above 4100. We've got 4140 and 4156. But at least it needs to break above 4100 for now.
Yes.
All right. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where we are signing out.
Yeah.
This is the CPI session. I go by the name of T. I've got my brother Ash.
Yeah.
And pleasure to be with you guys once again.
We'll see you soon. We'll see you soon, guys.
We'll see you soon. The trading rooms are still there.
Yep.
Throughout the day, and we'll catch you guys again, right?
All
there
right.
we go.
All right, guys. Ciao,
Cheers. Have a good one and enjoy.